Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my page Suman Devnath Tutorial Home. Here I'll be discussing most of the chapters related to science. In my earlier video, you have got the video related to chemical reactions. There I have discussed what is chemical reaction and how it is taking place. Right. Today we will be discussing about the types of the chemical reaction. Okay, we will be discussing about some of the types of the chemical reaction like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Okay, I'll be discussing the things in English as well as in Hindi also, so that it helps you more to understand. Okay, and before starting the video, if you like the videos, share this channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for getting more updates from my channel. Let us start this video with first of all the first type, that is combination reaction. What is the combination reaction? What is the meaning of combination reaction actually? What is the general meaning of combination? Combination means combine. Combination का मतलब क्या होता है? जुड़ जाना, right? So in this type of reaction, two or more elements or two or more chemicals, they combine with each other to form a new chemical or to form a new compound. ठीक है, क्या होता है, दो अलग टाइप का केमिकल्स या फिर एलिमेंट्स वो क्या होते हैं, जुड़ जाते हैं, कंबाइन हो जाते हैं और उसके बाद एक नया एक एलिमेंट या फिर नया एक कंपाउंड या फिर केमिकल आता है जिसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पहले से अलग होता है. द मीनिंग इज दैट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज, वेदर इट इज केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज और द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट remains totally different from those of the reactants, right? So this is what called combination reaction. Let us take an example of combination reaction, like I have given here the example of carbon and oxygen. See, when you are combining, when this carbon and oxygen gets combined, we get it as CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Now think of this situation that CO2 is having totally different properties, whereas the properties of carbon and oxygen is totally different. So that's what I was saying. Okay, तो क्या होता है, जो CO2 जो आया है, जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम लोगों को पता है जनरली, ठीक है, तो इस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का जो प्रॉपर्टीज है, ओके, जो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है या फिर फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है, वो कार्बन से या फिर ऑक्सीजन से टोटली अलग रहता है, राइट? द नेक्स्ट वन इज decomposition reaction. Now this decomposition reaction is just the opposite of combination reaction. Decomposition reaction क्या होता है, combination reaction का opposite होता है. कैसे? combination reaction में जुड़ जाते हैं, right? But decomposition reaction में अलग हो जाते हैं. That means in case of combination reaction we are combining the elements. That means the elements are getting combined. But in case of decomposition reaction, the elements breaks down in its identity, okay, or in its individual entity. Like let us discuss this another example, that is CaCO3. okay, CaCO3, it breaks down or decomposes into CaO and CO2. okay, so this is an example of decomposition reaction where CaCO3 क्या हुआ, CaCO3 break down हो गया किसमें, CaO plus CO2, right? So this is decomposition reaction. Next, let us discuss another reaction, that is displacement reaction. From the name itself we can understand what is the meaning of displacement reaction. Okay, displacement means to shift or to substitute or displace the position, right? So यहाँ पे क्या होता है, displacement मतलब क्या होता है, मतलब हटा देना, right? So what happens in this displacement reaction, that one element, right, remember this, one element substitutes or displaces the place of another single element. ओके, इसमें क्या होता है, एक एलिमेंट या फिर एक केमिकल जो भी आप समझे, वो दूसरा एक केमिकल का प्लेस चेंज कर देता है रिएक्शन होने के बाद. ओके, लेट अस गो थ्रू दिस एग्जांपल. ओके, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एग्जांपल लिया है Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. okay, so what it happens here in this displacement reaction, here you see the Cu remains with SO4 in the reactant side. okay, but after this chemical reaction, here you see Zn, that is zinc, takes the place of Cu, okay, and it combines with this one SO4, right? So it becomes ZnSO4 and Cu goes side, right, comes out as another product. Okay, so that's what ZnSO4 plus Cu. Okay, now this is what called displacement reaction. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Displacement, मतलब displace कर देना, जगह को change कर देना. Okay, now the next one is double displacement reaction. It's same like that of displacement reaction only, but the name goes what? Double displacement. That means two elements is changing the place of another two elements. इसमें क्या होता है? दो एलिमेंट किसी दूसरे एलिमेंट का प्लेस चेंज कर देता है. राइट, सो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या एग्जांपल लिया है? FeS plus H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2S. राइट, यहाँ पे आप देखिए FeS था प्लस H2SO4, बट आफ्टर रिएक्शन क्या हुआ? FeSO4 हो गया, मतलब Fe का जगह H2 का जगह Fe ने चेंज करके वहां पे खुद बैठ गया, और H2 किसके साथ आ गया? H2 S के साथ आ गया. पहले S के साथ क्या था? Fe था. राइट, सो फर्स्ट Fe was there with S, but after the change, after the reaction, you can see that Fe combines with SO4 and H2 remains with S. So this is what called double displacement reaction. So my dear students, I have discussed 4 types of reactions. I'll be discussing other types of reactions also in my next video. So today we have discussed combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Okay, I hope you understand this, whatever I tried to teach you. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, share it with your other friends also, so that this video also can help them also. And if you have any problem or any question with this video, you can write anything you want to know in the comment section. Okay, thank you.